I'm going to show you how to write a location review and search for location review on this video. Users of Properbuz can add reviews of neighborhoods, cities, or even regions to help others find their ideal rental or purchase. What you have to do is to click here, Write a Location Review. Once you're on this page, select a country you want to write a location review about. I'm going to select United States of America. Enter location. I'm going to enter New York. Write the title of your review here. Click on what you want to rate this location. You have from 1 to 5 stars. Write your review of this location here. I have written my review on a Word document, so I will copy it from my Word document and paste it here. Paste the YouTube URL of the location you are writing about here. It's important that you add a thumbnail of the video here. I'm going to select an image of this location from my device and use it as the thumbnail of the video. Click here to upload images of this location from your device. You can upload unlimited images. Once you're done, click on Submit button and your review will be sent for approval. On this tab, My Review, you can see the review you have written. The status is currently showing pending approval. Once the review has been approved, it will change to approved. This is how to search for location review. Click here, Search Location Review. Select the country you want to search and enter the location. Then click on the Search button. The review I have written has been approved, so you can see it here and other reviews of New York written by other users. You can see the video of this location. You can also see the images of this location, and you can read the reviews of this location.